Right? Properties class, just now discussing, right? I will show you the sample very clearly. Coming to share the screen. Right. All of you visible? Visible? Please, this example I'm going to show live, then you can understand more clearly. Okay. Now I created already db dot txt file. The user equals cmrtc, password equal rk. So this is the text file I stored. Now my program already just now whatever we discussed, same program I am using. Here file reader equal the new file reader db.text. db.text is already it is there in same folder, that's why. Otherwise, wherever you are having, you can view your path in this file reader class. Now I created properties objective p.load reader. I'm going to trying to print the user and password using p.get property. This is thing. Now how I'm just running the code. File name is test dot java. Yes, it is compiled. Now I'm running the test. Yes, the CMRTC RP. Is it clear? Now after this, now I wanted to change the DB file information. For example, username is second CSED, password is Java, and I saved this, and I'm closing this. Now save file. Now here I am not compiling, just I am going to execute the dot class file directly here. Second CSED and Java. Are you clear? Clear this? Understood? Clear? I'm not compiling again and again. Is it clear? Okay, that's why whatever the data you are going to use, you can use, and you can no need to again compile again and again. Now, so this is the file, not only .txt file, you can use .word also, .excel also, whatever the formats what you know already, IO classes. I'm going to finish within 5 minutes, please accept the request. One more example, if you want to read the data from system, sure, I am not taking any file, just what type of system you are using, what type of Java you are using, where your file is installed, what is the configuration, version, and who is going to implement it. All these things, if you want to know, very simple program. Already I told you, extract the data from the system also you can use. This is not that much important, but I'm giving the, even you can understand what type of things you can extract. Properties equals system.get properties, the direct method. System.get properties. Set the code entry set. Already I told you it is based on the lab, that's why you must use entry set for traversing 100%. So when you are traversing, you must use a map.entry. Then you are iterating. Now all the properties will get from the system, what type of it is, some system. Whatever the machine you are using, based on this, your output is going to vary. So this is the thing. Now last example, I think it will take only 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. Okay. Now I wanted to create a data in the one particular, whatever the data I am giving, it is going to store in a one particular .text file. This first example is what? Here we are reading the data from the external file. Now I'm going to create the external file using properties. Here I'm setting the properties and creating one external file. Very simple. Your properties p equal to new properties. Okay, object is created. P dot set property. What is the property? Name equal to Sonu Jaiswal. P dot set property. That is what? Email is Sonu Jaiswal at cmrtc.ac.in. The p dot store. Now I am going to store these two properties in a new file writer. File writer, you know how to use file writer. Where I am using IO class. Here the file name is info.text. Here CMRTC CSC. Now it is going to print as CMRTC CSC and today's date, time, and everything. And email is Sono Jaiswal and name is Sono Jaiswal. Already it is a as table. In that format only it is going to insert. Is it clear? I will show you the example also in the same way. Here test2 file. Right. Now here two properties I am trying to set. Name equal to Bhaskar, email equal to bhaskar.csc, cmrtc.ac.in. Here which file? Info.text. Here there is no info.text file here. Let's check it. Right? No info.text file. Now just I am compiling javac test2.java. Yes, file is compiled. Java test2. Yes. Now program is executed and info file .text also created. Just add with that. So just check it. CMRTC CSC. Today is Friday, April 17, 16, 423, IS 2020. This is our time frame. So my email is whatever I entered property bhaskar.csc.in. Name equal to Bhaskar. Whatever the properties I mentioned there, it is created. Even in program, I want to change instead of text doc. Just I am checking doc is going to save it or not. Save. Now again we compile it. Let's compile. Again we execute. Yes, information. The doc file is created. Just open it. So just yes. Like that, we can same way we can use this DB first test program also. We can extract the properties as well as we are going to print the we are going to save the properties also. In the same way, we are going to extract the data as well as we can even save the data in whatever file format you want. Now everyone is clear. Clear? Is it clear, everyone? Is there any doubt? Please text me. If it is clear, then I am going to stop. Any doubt is there, then please raise a question. Clear, only one response. I'm expecting more responses. Then I will stop. I'm going to end the session. Is it clear? Dear students, is it clear? Please respond through chat window. Okay. Okay, thank you. Today we are going to finish. We'll discuss remaining topics in the tomorrow session. Thank you. Thank you.